BMW may be about to bring back a long-lost EV trick, small gas engines to extend the range of its biggest electric rides. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for all the tech news. BMW's reportedly exploring extended range EVs for luxury models like the i7 sedan and the upcoming iX5 SUV. These EVs would run primarily on battery power, but a tiny onboard gasoline engine could kick in to recharge the battery on long trips, freeing the drivers from the anxiety they get before hitting the highway and hunting for a charging station. BMW already makes the key pieces like batteries, electric motors, transmissions, and small 3- and 4-cylinder engines that could easily double as range extender generators. That means the company could roll out EREVs without reinventing the whole supply chain. The concept isn't entirely new. A decade ago, the BMW i3 offered a range extender option, but it faded as batteries got cheaper and charging networks expanded. Now it's back, particularly in China, where range-extended SUVs and sedans are flying off the lot. US interest is rising too, with models like the Scout Terra pickup and Traveler SUV showing strong demand for EREV versions. EREVs are the go-to for drivers who want the electric experience, but need the reassurance for long-distance trips, with no charging stops, no uncertainty, just freedom. BMW hasn't confirmed production plans yet, but saying it's analyzing customer needs and market trends, which means these EREVs can soon hit the road. For more updates, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.